From the moment we prayed, the Lord heard our cry. Two hearts He has joined under heaven's sky.
Okay. Sa araw na to, sarap ng Diyos ng ating pamilya at ng mga taong mahalaga sa atin. Buong puso kitang pinipili, hindi lang bilang asawa, kundi bilang kasama sa bawat araw habang buhay.
You stand, holding each other, guided by His hand. Every promise you make today is a vow before the Lord. You'll always.
Sa lahat ng kulang ko sa buhay, isa lang yung may pagmamalaki ko na kaya kong ibigay sa iyo ng buong buo. Yun ay ang puso ko.
Say forever in His love, your hearts will stay through the storms of life. Feel like you're way. Gab and Chris, your soul's now one, blessed by the Father, Spirit, and Son. Through the laughter and tears, He will be near. Faith will carry you both year after year. Love that's patient, so kind and true.
Okay, lalaki, tandaan mo ito. Si Eva na iyong asawa ay sa tagiliran kinuha ng Diyos para mahalin at ipagtanggol sa kanino man, hindi sa kamay kinuha para saktan, hindi sa ano pang bagay upang siya'y pahirapan, kundi sa tagiliran upang mahalin. Okay, kaya sa tagiliran na malapit sa puso, kaya dapat mahalin.
Go.
First of all, happy 4th month. Sa totoo lang, yung salitang pangako, isa sa pa na kinatatakutan ko na salita. Simple lang siya, isang payak na salita. Pero ganun kalaki yung nagiging epekto sa buhay ng bawat tao.
Kung naaalala mo, kaya inalaw ko yung sarili ko na kilalanin ka at kilalanin ako kasi pinakilala mo sa akin na lingkod ka ng Diyos. At number one na requirement ko talaga yon. Kasi kung hindi ka lingkod ng Diyos, paano mo ko gagabayan?
Reflection of Christ in all that you do. Every step that you take in life, He will walk beside you as husband and wife. Forever in His love, your hearts will stay through the storms of life. Feel like you're way. Gab and Chris, your soul's now one, blessed by the Father, Spirit, and Son. So keep Him at the center, let Him lead the way. In His grace and mercy, you'll never go astray. You'll never go astray. Oh, forever in His love, your hearts will stay through the storms of life. Feel like you're way. Gab and Chris, your soul's now one, blessed by the Father, Spirit, and Son. Gab and Chris. From the moment we prayed, the Lord heard our cry. Two hearts He has joined under heaven's sky. Gab and Chris, in His love you stand.
Masasabi ko sa inyo ay magsasama ng maayos.
Hindi kayo bibitaw anuman yung mga pagsubok na duman sa inyo.
At ibinibigay ang iyong basbas na si Krisha ay kasal kay Jobel.
Hindi nga siya girl, just take good care of me.
Gab and Chris, in His love you stand, holding each other, guided by His hand.